Yes, raced by Danny Helmsground, 1970 M14 McLaren.
The car with which Tony Smith cut his thoroughbred Grand Prix racing career.
B3. Never actually won. Flat 12, Lap, I think, of the Grand Prix. He would got lovely looking Gordon design car with the Flat 12 Alfa engine. You shall also see later in the back, not the same engine, but the same design of engine in the back of the Alfa 33 TD12.
Now the start of the turbo. Running on the new 1500cc turbocharged Renault V6.
RS01 1977 that appeared at the British Grand Prix for the first time that year, 78 onwards, and one Grand Prix has been
now one of the treats of the weekend, the 1977 Renault P34 6X Ronnie Peterson's car with Martin Stratton, and he's flying!
I thought it was the Cross 1970, I'd like to know.